pressure equalizing system. Rubber diaphragm located at lower end. Working together with safety valves to balance the internal motor pressure and external well pressure. Two-way safety valve fitted in the upper part of motor ensure the perfect balance of external and internal pressure built by heating up during duty.
Guangdong Railroad Pump Industry Corporation Limited is a professional manufacturer which designs, manufactures, and sells submersible well pumps and motors. It is seated in Jiangmen, Guangdong, a beautiful city in the Pearl River Delta. Railroad is situated in a convenient location and are easily accessible from the highway, only 2 kilometers from the toll gate, and it only takes about 1 hour by car from Guangzhou, Hong Kong or Macau. Founded in 1998, Railroad is specialized in manufacturing high-quality submersible well pumps and motors. Under the leadership of Mr. Chen, president of the company, and the efforts made by all the staff in the past years, it is high-speedily developed by 30% every year. Its R&D center is granted by the provincial government as the Provincial Engineering and Technological Research Center. Railroad is also the Vice Chairman Working Unit of the 7th Council Irrigation and Drainage Equipment Division of China National Agriculture Machinery. Railroad's principal products are stainless steel energy-saving submersible deep well pumps and motors. It also produces and sells all kinds of special electric pumps, such as submersible sewage pumps, solar submersible pumps, frequency converter inline pumps, and fish pond dedicated pumps, etc. With its development in the past almost 20 years, Railroad has become one of China's leading companies in the submersible pump industry. Railroad is currently the largest pump manufacturing enterprise in southern China. With annual production capacity of 500,000 pumps, the company has set up advanced machining equipment to process and inspect all kinds of components and parts. It is strives to provide defect-free products to the market. Railroad is well recognized by its customers throughout the world for its products' excellent performance. This is the production line for submersible pumps. This is the production line for control panel. The company has installed various assembly lines for submersible pumps and motors. It owns advanced national leading automatic production, online detection equipment, and instruments. This is production line for submersible motors. Its performance test center has laid a sound foundation to guarantee its product quality. The company's Provincial Engineering and Technology Research Center and Enterprise Technology Center have a strong technical team with high-level professional skills and strong R&D ability. The team consists of a batch of skilled engineers and industry experts. They are dedicated to incorporating new technology to all kinds of pumps and motors and designing products that are more energy efficient. Rayron possesses over 60 patents in force. The company has acquired certificates of ISO Quality Management System, ISO Environment Management System, TÜV-CE, China 3C, Quality Approved Certificate of Export Products. The company has gained multiple technical academy awards from Jiangmen City and Panjang District. 3 series of Rayron's energy-efficient submersible motor and pump are identified as Guangdong high-end new technology products. Rayron possesses 2 Guangdong famous brand names, Master and EG, which are highly cultivated and developed by the Department of Foreign Trade and Economic Cooperation of Guangdong Province. The 2 brands registered in more than 70 countries and districts to protect. It lays a solid foundation for the company products to promote towards worldwide. All products are designed and manufactured according to International's IEC standard, with the features of advanced design and energy efficient. The products have been distributed to over 20 provinces in China and over 50 countries and districts worldwide, like Germany and Italy. Adhering to the tenet of quality first, cooperation with good faith, mutual benefit and win-win result, Rayron dedicates to supply better products and services to its customers. We would love to sincerely cooperate with you and open up a bright future together.
Shimje Propaganda Film Script, English version. Shimje, a water treatment system solution provider. Shimje, a pioneer and leader in water pump industry in China. Shimje, founded in 1984, has 6 large production bases, 10 subsidiary companies, and 6 business divisions. Is a public listed company in water pump industry, a national-level high-tech enterprise in China, with daily water pump production of 10,000 units. Shimje is one of the largest water pump manufacturers in China. Shimje has 4 brands, namely Shimje, LBX, Siku, Marlino. Diversified product varieties, complete specifications and types. Existing 6 series of products that could meet all-around requirements for farmland irrigation and drainage, sewage treatment, domestic water supply, industrial water supply, heating system, and pipeline boosting. Shimje has powerful technical R&D strength. In addition to the technical R&D force in headquarter office, a talent team for R&D, process and engineering, etc. is also available at Shimje Technical Center for Water Treatment System in Hangzhou City. The professionals focus on the R&D of water pumps and water treatment systems. Shimje keeps long-term, deep, extensive cooperation with scientific research institutes like Zhejiang University, China Agricultural University, Jiangsu University, so as to shorten the R&D cycle. Shimje's postdoctoral workstation further increases the technical innovation capability. Shimje is always technically leading in aspects of product structure, low energy consumption, anti-corrosion, automation, intellectualization, etc. Excellent products are the cornerstone for global expansion of Shimje. Shimje owns totally 6 production bases located in Jiangxi, Jiangsu, and Zhejiang province. Has whole process self-manufacturing ability, from casting, machining, to motor design and manufacturing, finished product assembly. The production of each part is strictly controlled for good quality. Ximjie's self-built casting base, top in whole industry, adopts world-class foundry equipments from Japan, Germany, and the United States, so as to ensure the perfectness for each pump casting. In respect of machining, Ximjie introduced Japan Okuma CNC Machining Center. Your American high-speed punch and dedicated machining equipment to ensure product quality satisfying the customer requirements. In order to grant a powerful heart to Ximjie products, all motors are made from excellent materials. Advanced equipments such as slitting lathe, automation motor production line, fully automatic trickle impregnation machine further guarantee Motor S superior quality effectively. Ximjie possesses dozens of advanced production lines. Core assembly procedure is performed automatically to ensure stability of product quality. For example, laser welding of impeller, automatic press mounting of stator, automatic press mounting of bearing, fully automatic unattended spray painting line. Relying on the industry-leading Physiochemical Test Center and Performance Test Platform of Class 1 accuracy, Ximjie exerts whole process full coverage quality monitoring over raw and auxiliary materials, manufacturing process and products, so that the delivered products could 100% meet customer and standard requirements. As a water treatment system solution provider, Ximjie runs ISO 14001, OSA S 18001 management system strictly, makes efforts to realize green production. Ximjie pays continual attention to the impact of products on the environment and customers' health. Has established an independent ROSE lab to ensure product in compliance with ROSE directive. Has improved paint on product surface from oil paint to water paint. Ximjie's BLT series stainless steel multi-stage pump discharge system meets food grade hygienic standard. Ximjie led and participated in the drafting of most Chinese national standards for energy efficiency specification of pump products. Through all these efforts, the unit energy consumption of Chinese pump products will be reduced comprehensively. In 2012, Ximjie merged Zhejiang Bohua Environmental Technology and Engineering Company Limited, so that Ximjie has the capability to provide completely the solutions of water treatment system for customers. Today, Ximjie products have passed a number of international certificates, such as CE, GS, UL, etc. Are deeply favored by customers. Ximjie products have been selected as major projects in China. For example, Universiade Shenzhen Main Hall, National Library, Three Gorges Project, Capital Airport. Ximjie's marketing network covers over 100 countries in the world. Overseas department of Ximjie provides professional services for selling products to the world. The employees have abundant foreign trade experience, could provide professional services for customers accurately and efficiently. The world is enjoying impeccable quality and thoughtful service of Ximjie. Ximjie welcomes the cooperation with you.
إن شركة شينجا هي الشركة المزودة لجهاز نظم معالجة الماء ذات الأداء العالي. إن شينجا هي الشركة الرائدة في صناعة مضخة الماء الصينية. لقد تم تأسيسها في عام 1984 فإن شينجا تمتلك 6 قواعد إنتاج، 10 شركات فرعية و6 أقسام. إن شركة شينجا هي شركة عامة مدرجة رسميا في صناعة مضخات الماء، حيث إنها تعتبر شركة عالية التكنولوجيا البارزة على الصعيد الوطني، فإننا نستطيع أن نحقق حجم مبيعات وإنتاج مضخات الماء الذي يصل إلى 10,000 وحدة كل يوم. فإن شركة شينجا هي معروفة كواحدة من أكبر مصانع مضخة الماء في الصين. إن شركة شينجا لديها 4 علامات تجارية بما في ذلك شينجا، LBX، سيكو ومارلينو. إننا فخورون جدا بالتنوع في تشكيلة منتجاتنا. لقد قمنا بتقديم 6 سلسلات منتجات رئيسية للتطبيقات مثل ري الأراضي الزراعية والصرف الصحي، معالجة مياه الصرف الصحي، امدادات الماء المحلية، امدادات الماء الصناعية، وكذلك زيادة خط الأنابيب و HVAC. إن شينجا تمتلك إمكانات كبيرة لتطوير التكنولوجيا. لقد تم تحسين إمكانات التطوير للمكتب الرئيسي لشينجا عن طريق الفريق الموهوب في مركز تكنولوجيا شينجا لنظام معالجة الماء في خانجو، والتي تشمل المحترفين في مجالات مثل البحث، التصنيع والهندسة. إن هؤلاء الخبراء يكونوا ملتزمون تماما بتطوير نظم مضخات الماء ومعالجة الماء. إن شينجا تقوم بالحفاظ على تعاون طويل الأمد مع معاهد البحث العلمي مثل جامعة جونجان وجامعة الصين الزراعية وجامعة جيانسو، فهذا يسمح لنا تفسير بشكل فعال دورة البحث والتطوير. إن محطة عمل ما بعد الدكتوراه شيجما تعمل على المزيد من التحسين لقدراتنا للابتكار الفني. إن شيجما تمتلك تقنيات متقدمة في مجالات بما في ذلك هيكلة المنتج، الحفاظ على الطاقة، مقاومة التآكل، وكذلك التشغيل الذكي والتشغيل الآلي.
Excellent products are the cornerstone for global expansion of Shimje. Shimje owns totally 6 production bases located in Jiangxi, Jiangsu, and Zhejiang province. Has whole process self-manufacturing ability from casting, machining, to motor design and manufacturing, finished product assembly. The production of each part is strictly controlled for good quality. Shimje's self-built casting base, topped in whole industry, adopts world-class foundry equipments from Japan, Germany, and the United States, so as to ensure the perfectness for each pump casting. In respect of machining, Shimje introduced Japan Okuma CNC Machining Center, your American high-speed punch and dedicated machining equipment to ensure product quality satisfying the customer requirements. In order to grant a powerful heart to Shimje products, all motors are made from excellent materials. Advanced equipments such as slitting lathe, automation motor production line, fully automatic trickle impregnation machine further guarantee motor S superior quality effectively. Shimje possesses dozens of advanced production lines. Core assembly procedure is performed automatically to ensure stability of product quality. For example, laser welding of impeller, automatic press mounting of stator, automatic press mounting of bearing, fully automatic unattended spray painting line. Relying on the industry-leading physiochemical test center and performance test platform of Class 1 accuracy, Shimje exerts whole process full coverage quality monitoring over raw and auxiliary materials, manufacturing process and products, so that the delivered products could 100% meet customer and standard requirements. As a water treatment system solution provider, Shimje runs ISO 14001, OSA S 18001 management system strictly, makes efforts to realize green production. Shimje pays continual attention to the impact of products on the environment and customers' health. Has established an independent ROSE lab to ensure product in compliance with ROSE directive. Has improved paint on product surface from oil paint to water paint. Shimje's BLT series stainless steel multi-stage pump discharge system meets food-grade hygienic standard. Shimje led and participated in the drafting of most Chinese national standards for energy efficiency specification of pump products. Through all these efforts, the unit energy consumption of Chinese pump products will be reduced comprehensively. In 2012, Shimje merged Zhejiang Bohua Environmental Technology and Engineering Company Limited, so that Shimje has the capability to provide completely the solutions of water treatment system for customers.
Okay, we're going to install this SureFlow 9300 solar 24-volt solar well pump. We're not going to run solar here, but it's a useful pump for low flow wells. And this well's 3 to 4 gallons a minute. This will put out 1 to 2, depending on whether it's 24 or 12 volts and how much head there is. So we're just using 1/2-inch PEX, 16-gauge extension cord, 3/8 polypropylene rope for a safety rope. It's also light, you can just do it all by hand. I sounded this, it's a 55 foot to water and 105 feet to the bottom. We'll be putting the pump about 95 feet. Tape. Taping these together about every 10 feet. We get water. pump's hanging by this rope, 100-foot rope. We got about 5 foot left, so we should be right around 95 feet. And now we'll set up and hook it up to purge it out and remove the chlorine out of the well, so we can get a water sample for testing. Okay, we'll be running on 12 volts off this generator just to purge the well. Hook up these alligator clips. Start this generator. We're getting water. Voltage, make sure we've got 12 volts. Yep, dead on 12 volts. Roll up.
Progress report. I crimped on these lead or steel or soft malleable gizmos, and I've got some shrink tubing on each individual wire to keep them separate, and then I'm going to put a giant piece of shrink tubing that I've got on the big wire over it, and hopefully it'll work. So I'm not going to waste your time cranking this baby up while I shrink things, or maybe I will. Make sure I have this located properly. I was going to use silicone, but I don't think I have to. Got a little cut in the wire there, but they'll be underwater for the rest of their life, so let's see what happens with this. Shrink tubing. La-di-da. Boring. This is really thin stuff. If you go on eBay, you can buy thicker, heavy walled stuff. Sometimes you find it at flea markets. You buy it at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever they call your local hardware store. It's expensive and thin, but if you go on eBay, you can buy a big envelope for like $3. Big fat envelope of it, or $10 for the really, really good stuff with the glue built in. The glue oozes out. I'll show you that in a minute. This stuff is not bad. It's medium quality. They have thicker, heavier wall. They come in colors. Sometimes they have military overstock, and you can buy it really cheap. And it's special color meant for the military or whatever. Surplus, somebody buys it by the ton, and they sell little pieces. I saw one guy had huge rolls of it. 3-foot, 1 meter rolls, big wooden rolls, like pallet rolls. He was cutting off little pieces of it for a couple of dollars. Gotta keep the heat moving, you don't want to burn it. How's our sun doing? Disappearing. Alright. One down. Two more to go. Interesting, huh? Shrink tubing. They even sell this in rolls of tape. Shrink tape. I've never bought any. I guess I'll have to go on eBay now and buy some. Evil Bay! Evil Bay! Echo Bay Mining. My sister told me that. The guy used to work for a company called Echo Bay Mining. I think I see some glue oozing out of this. A tiny bit of adhesive. Minutes 11 seconds. UK Mac 2000 noticed that my camera did something weird a couple days ago. It was not adjusting to the lights properly. I don't know what was wrong with it. Who knows? Electronic gizmos. Got a whole bunch of Casio cameras with a bunch of broken little pieces. I'll have to find somebody to repair them all and make them into a couple of good ones. Last one. You could also use a propane torch, or you could use a match even, of course, to burn your fingers, or a lighter. It's harder to regulate the heat. It gets too hot. Open flame. It works, though. I've used it. After I'm done with this, I'm going to take that big piece of shrink tubing, and I'm going to cover them all. Add some strength to it. All right. Camera down here. There we go. I'm going to slide this thing over and see if it'll cover. It doesn't. It's too bad because I can't take the wire covering off anymore. Might just fit. Yep. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm going to seal these in. Maybe I should put some electric tape on it. It'll never be 100% waterproof. That's why I put solder on those connections. Oop. Got an extra one for the 3-wire. Too bad I can't run that all the way down to there. Join them together. Anyways, it'll have water in it. That's for sure, but at least it'll have some strength. 7 minutes.
On patrol, advancing on the village of Hall.
Crank her up! Oop, snag. I'll come back in a bit. 10 minutes later. Oh, it's getting chilly. Alright, I've had enough of this. I think now I've got to tie this on with some tie wraps, and I've got some anti-abrasion gizmos. Too many tools around here. Worst part of a job is all the tools you got to round up. Yeah, what a mess. Right. I'll fix her up. We'll get this pump working tonight. See you in a bit. All right, how's our sun timer? Oh boy, hungry and cold. Well. I'm wrapping it up with this Plymouth electric tape. Wrap. Don't want anything abrading when it's in the hole. On the steel casing, this pump turns on and off every time the 20-gallon drawdown tank gets drawn down. Had a monster roll of tape at the house. I should have brought that extra wide. All right, it's all taped up. I ran out of tape. Got to speak to my friend the lineman and have him bring me more. Bishop Plymouth insulating products. Nice stuff. No safety cord string. Can't imagine this stuff breaking. Oh, one extra crimping lug. Whoop. To the box. All taped up out of harm's way. And I'm chicken to drop her down. I guess it's got to get done eventually. Now, how do I hold it up to clamp? Maybe I'll run the wire. I'm going to cut this wire. This wire comes out of the ground. I think it's time to cut it. And I'll have some wire nuts underneath the cap, well cap. And I'll run it down beside this plastic pipe, and I'll cut the plastic pipe and the wire at the same time. But the plastic pipe is going to be 5 feet or 6 feet lower down. Oh boy, a little tricky here. Our final calculations. Assembled in USA. Yeah, they assembled stuff into the box in USA. Oh boy. It's crazy jobs. Then I got the Toro home sitting there to work on next. I think it's time to take a little break, snack break. These little gizmos here protect the pipe and the wire from abrading and chafing, so got a whole bunch of them. I'm going to run them down now. You're supposed to use bare wire that's not got insulation around it, but this is what I had, so it's 8 gauge, I think. It's more than enough. 10-4 when you 12, but anyways, this is what I had, so we'll use it up. I'm going to run these down to that end. I wonder how deep the wells are in other parts of the country. I know out west they're 1,000 feet. I'm only 74 feet. Some people go 250 in this area of the Adirondacks. A lot of sand in the ground here, but whatever, I got lucky. Run a few of these down and we'll drop that thing down real soon. Oh boy.